Welcome to Platform Demos. In this episode, we're going to focus on the CRM. The CRM can be one of the most important and powerful tools in any company's arsenal. It allows you to be able to manage everything from your sales and leads, customers, locations, opportunities that you might have for your business, sales planning, and even cases for clients that may have something they need from you, to your financials, credit notes, estimates, expense reporting, invoices you can send directly to your clients and they can pay online, kit orders, properties, product management, upload all of your item lists, including their SKUs and basic information and imagery. And then once your items are in, you can even manage your supply chain, inventory management, orders, receiving, shipping, all that can be managed right through the platform. You can also set up and manage marketing campaigns like direct campaigns, marketing campaigns, create targets for your business, as well as testimonials, and then you can send direct campaigns right through the platform. It also has functionality that you can actually set up drip campaigns for any leads you might get. Simply connect it to your lead form on your website, and then drive leads right into your system and drip market to them over the course of days, weeks, or months. You can even set it up so that it automates reminders for your sales team to do follow-ups and make sure you close those deals. It's also great for organizing just your own personal agenda, your own calendar, making sure that you know what tasks you're supposed to be following up on, connecting your call logs, your work queue, any tasks and follow-ups that you might have, as well as connecting your email and your notes right into the platform here as well. Again, one of the most important tools for many businesses to be able to keep themselves organized and make sure their business is able to scale. Want to learn more? Click the link in the video description to schedule a product tour today.